You scared? Huh? What you scared of? What you scared of? Look good. Hey friends, and welcome to my channel. It's the Marshall. Yes, on this channel you will be seeing the life of me, Missy, my husband, and grandkids, and occasionally you will see my kids and a few other family members. Some choose not to be on camera, but that's okay. I respect their wishes. However, because they mean the world to me, and I just want to showcase what I am thankful for. I'm new to YouTube, and as you can see, my subscriber number is very low. I come on asking, if you're looking at this video, I just ask that you hit that subscribe button. You hit that thumbs up button if you like it. If you don't like it, I don't have a problem with it. Just hit the thumbs down button. I won't take offense to it at all. I will take it as a learning tool. I will put it under my feet and I will use it to grow. So y'all, today I decided to clean up. But let me tell you, I did not feel like cleaning up. All I wanted to do was sit on this couch, this recliner, with my blanket that you see behind me. And all I wanted to do was look at TV. As you can see, it is in a very convenient location. And I always look at YouTube. That's all I look at, YouTube for the most. And I get inspiration from a lot of people's videos. I sit there and I watch the video and I ponder what it would be like if I had my own channel. Could I even do it? Could I pull it off? Do I have enough interesting things that going on in my life that someone would even want to sit there and look at it? Or even listen to me ramble? But I put my best foot forward and I took a chance. So that's me here on YouTube now. I am here to tell you today to hold your head up. Continue to do what you do. In due time, the winning season will come. Fast forward. The whole purpose of this video is to motivate you, whomever you are. Just think, if you're sitting there and you're like, I don't feel like it, just think, it's not going to get done until you get up. You have to get up. You have to put the first foot forward. So, y'all, like I said, I did not want to clean up, but when I did get up, I cleaned up the living room. I cleaned the kitchen. I even cleaned out the refrigerator. Yep. I even cleaned out the refrigerator. And I have done 2 loads of laundry so far. But I have sat my tail down. Yeah, y'all can see it. I'm sitting down. So I just wanted to encourage somebody to get up and go do something. do whatever it is that you had your mindset to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all take a rest. I'm gonna take a rest, and we gonna come back at it with this vlogging thing. But we gonna get it right. Y'all have a good one.
The next day.
Let me get Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper. All right. And how will the checks get split today?
2. What you get to drink? Some alcohol.
So you do have alcohol.
You get alcohol.
I wish they did.
I've been waiting for a whole hour or more just to get something to eat. That's what happens when you invite other people along to eat with you. Ain't that right?
Well, at least I thought I was the only one that late.
No. And he talking about in order for me to get the table, I got to have, y'all got to be there in 2 or 3 minutes. I said, that ain't gonna happen. I said, I just find me another one. Folks in there looking at me like I'm crazy. I wonder why them folks are sitting across the little bar area.
Crazy.
Yeah, that what the lady told me. She said, I know exactly what you're talking about. But this right here worked out fine. When I pulled up in that parking lot, all that was cool. Everything was cool. I want me some cheese grits. What time is it? I ain't get my watch.
11:29.
11:29. I wouldn't mind getting a Texas cheesesteak milk. But no, I'm gonna stick to my breakfast. I saw this guy, he was with his friend. They all ex-military. I saw him, I said, called his name out. I said, you ain't in no military. You ain't been in no military. And then the other man told me, he said, he been in the military 4 years. And he told me how much money he get a month. He said, you need to go get your money. I think what he get a month, about 4 times what I get. It might be something to think about. Why you say that? That woman said I got PTSD, y'all.
Whatever you call it.
Whatever you call it.
But it won't hurt. Get some more.
We here at Waffle House trying to get us some breakfast. Got 2 more people gonna show up. This the first one that had me late, y'all. Look. And then she shoot me a bird. It's alright though. So I'm gonna get an all-star special. Just go ahead and let you know. I'm gonna get me an all-star special. Half sweet, half unsweet tea with sweet on the bottom. Added just a little bit more sugar. And y'all stay tuned.
You a mess.
I know I can't say. So hey y'all, this is my Saturday. So far I have gotten up, I went to Dollar General, I made 3 transactions. Then I left Dollar General and I went to Waffle House. I met some friends at Waffle House and we ate. I forgot to show y'all what I ordered, but I did show you on the menu because once the food came, I forgot everything. I was hungry. Lord knows your girl was hungry. So, as I was sitting at the Waffle House waiting for my friends, I looked over my receipts and I realized that I didn't save as much as I should have. As you can see on this receipt, I saved $23.80. On this receipt, I saved $13.80. Right there. Alright, that's the one that had the error on it. Because something that's supposed to be scanned on that one did not get scanned. And this one, I saved $18.80. So as you can see, I was between the 18 and 23 range, and this one was $13.30. So that one should have been at least between $18 and $20 saved. So I'm back here at Dollar. She told me to come back and she's gonna help me out. She told me to bring everything back. So we're gonna go in there, we're gonna get this all straightened out, and then I'm gonna come out and I'm going home, and then I'll check back in with you all and let you know how the day going thus far. So y'all have a good one. So fam, after I left Dollar General, I came home. It didn't go quite as I planned when I went back to Dollar General. So I just got the money back for the extra $15.95 item that I purchased on one receipt. I just got the money back and didn't worry about it, and accepted the loss on the other receipt that I saved $13. So I missed out on the 5 off 20, the $5 for the 5 off 20, and the $3 digital that comes off for the $15.95 item. But anywho, this is one of the bundles that I got ready for a client when I got home. This gonna run between $80 and $100. As you can see, I throw in her some gloves for cleaning. Got her a little personal hygiene there. Laundry. Toilet paper, paper towel. Got some feminine products. Trash bag. Little bug spray. No offense intended. It's just something that I couponed at the time. It was a rebate offer. So I threw it in. It's just whatever I get in that day for a haul, that's what I throw in their bundle to make it a household. So this here is some items that I have that's like overstocks. There's some things that have not been claimed. Excuse me. Here's another transaction. My husband messed it up. You know, when people bother your stuff, they don't put it back the way they got it. They just throw it up there any kind of way, not knowing that you have it that way because that's the way you want to present it to people. But anyway, this is a transaction that I did at Dollar General. So I saved $13.80 on, $13.30 on one transaction, $23.80 on another one, and $18.80. I will throw it up how much I saved altogether and how much I spent on these items. I purchased this because I need another canister to put some of my laundry items in. I got the borax powder and I want to put it in one of the containers, so I'm gonna throw this up there with it. Also not pictured, I purchased 3 of the Eggo products, the French toast sticks, because I'm trying to start carrying my own breakfast to work. So these were $3 off 10, and they were $3.50 each. So that came in on one of the transactions that I got from Dollar General. Y'all, I told you last night I cleaned out the refrigerator. Don't be judgmental, but y'all, this is what it looks like. It's still a little crowded, but I washed off all the shelves. I got everything nice and clean. Still gonna take some things out and dispose of them, but I don't see anything that needs to be thrown away. Still got a half a watermelon in there. I did get that part taken care of. So I think this gonna pretty much get it for my Saturday. I don't know what else is in store. Probably nothing much. And it probably definitely won't be anything worth filming. So I'm gonna go ahead and start trying to edit this one and get them out. I'm gonna start shortening my videos because it takes a lot to edit and get these videos out, and you know, and then my viewers are not that high. So I just feel like that the best thing for me to do, if I want to continue to do this, is just change up some of the way I do some of the things. And one of them is not make my videos so long. So I started doing laundry last night. I did 2 loads of laundry, and I got one in the washing machine that I need to wash and dry. Let's see what these bad children doing out there. My fur babies, that's what I mean when I say children. It is very hot and humid out here. As you can see, look like Deuce's feet. I keep saying feet, but his paws has been over in this water bucket. And his paws are wet. Look at them. Let me see your paws, Deuce. Look at them. They just wet. And he been over in there. Now he running because he think I'm about to go back in the house. So he gonna beat me to the door. This dog crazy, man. Look, now look, cause I walked away from him. Now watch, I'm gonna walk back toward the house. Watch. Crazy. Just crazy. Watch. Your girl is all the way out this time. I will return with a new video. Y'all be blessed. Have a good one. Peace.